It's been a long winter, and I bet you're ready to get into the garden. Hi, I'm Stephanie, head grower for Frost Farms, and today we're going to go over some cool season veggies that you can plant now. To get a good harvest, it's all about the soil. For raised beds, get this mix. It's ready to use straight out of the bag. For existing beds, go with the lobster compost. It has calcium and all the nutrients you need. Your veggies are gonna love you for this. We have so many veggies here at Frost Farms. Some of my favorites are lettuce, onions, and snow peas. They're resilient and the cool temperatures make them delicious. Here we have the red sales lettuce. It's leafy and you can pick it again and again straight from garden to salad. Here we have the Cortland Onion. This is a great yellow sweet onion to add to your salad or store for meals to come. Plant now and harvest sometime in July. Here we have the snow pea. Who doesn't love them? A classic addition to the garden, and kids love them too. For a bumper crop, you're going to want to use garden tone. I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like, but you will add this to your compost in the beginning when you amend your soil. Your window is now to plant your cool season crops. You have till about June. Find your plant passion here in Town Hill or online at frostfarmsmdi.com. Thank you for watching and happy planting!